Meditation. It basically refers to the process of a mindful approach towards achievement of some sort of mental and emotional peace. It doesn't mean to forget the rest of the world or what is going around, but it's just a way of defining your own level of concentration. A lot of people think that we meditate to push the negative thoughts or energies away from us. But at the same time, we also meditate to concentrate our energies and make the best use of them. How to practice meditation? Firstly, choose a nice, quiet, comfortable place. Secondly, do not have any sort of distractions around you. Thirdly, sit in a very comfortable pose. Fourthly, gently close your eyes and in the dark black space gather all the thoughts going inside your mind. Fifthly, one by one visualize your thoughts and decide with the help of your inner conscience as to what you want to do about them. Sixthly, decide for yourself as to which approach you want to have in your life. Then chant Om 3 times. After a few seconds, gently rub both your palms and put them over your eyes. Then lastly, slowly and gently open your eyes to the light. Some of the benefits of meditation are as follows. A. It helps you get clarity about your thoughts. B. It makes you feel more concentrated. C. It provides you with a sense of mental peace. D. It makes you confident. E. It calms down the anger and hustle going on within you. E. It helps you make mindful decisions. F. It creates a sense of well-being for your soul. A lot of people have this question that what is the best time to practice meditation? Well, there is no one best time. It totally depends and varies from one person to the other. But most of the people and studies insist on two best timings for doing meditation. Firstly, when early in the morning after you get up, and secondly, one being right before you go off to sleep. And a third from my side is you can sit before your studies or work which requires a good amount of concentration, meditate and then go for it. Here are a few tips which I would like to give from my side. Firstly, everyone must practice meditation for at least 15 to 20 minutes daily. You should try to practice it either early in the morning before you leave for work or before you go off to sleep. Thirdly, if you require, then play some soft melodious music to help you concentrate better. Always sit in a very comfortable position while practicing meditation. Try to keep your phones away or on silent. Initially, you must try to meditate for like 5 or 10 minutes and then eventually increase your timing. Never overlook your mental peace, and especially nowadays, it's really very important for each one of us. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. Please share it with your friends and do not forget to press the thumbs up button.